Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hello, bonjour, ni hao, assalamu alaikum, namaste. Welcome back to another video. This is MAMA-MYLES, and on this channel we talk about fashion, beauty, lifestyle. We do vlogs, we do a little bit of everything. So just go ahead and subscribe to this channel because definitely there's something for you. Weddings are mostly celebrated during December, and December is that period of the year whereby there are so many festivals, so many celebrations, so many parties to attend, and you want to make sure while attending these parties your fashion sense is still top notch. You want to make sure your color combination, what you're putting on, what kind of dress, what kind of top, what kind of pants you are putting on still matches with your body shape and your body size. So on today's video, I'll be giving you tips and tricks on how you can be able to pick a good wedding dress for your body shape and your body size. In choosing a wedding dress, you want to make sure you choose that right wedding dress for you, that right wedding dress for your body shape and your body size. You don't want to choose a dress that you will be uncomfortable. You want to make sure you choose that wedding dress that will make you look elegant and chic, because that day is your day. So on today's video, I'll be giving you tips and tricks on how you can be able to choose good wedding dress, a perfect wedding dress for your body shape and your body size, a perfect wedding dress that will make you look elegant and chic. Without so much talking, let's get into the video. While choosing a wedding dress, there are some key tips and techniques you have to put into consideration so that you can choose that perfect dress for your body shape, that perfect dress that is going to fit your body, that perfect dress that is going to make you look elegant. So the first tip in choosing a wedding dress is knowing the venue where your wedding is going to take place. Knowing the venue where your wedding is going to take place will help you better understand what kind of dress you are going to choose. Whether you're going to choose a dress that has long sleeves, or you're going to choose a sleeveless dress, or you're going to just choose any kind of dress. So knowing your venue is very, very important. The next technique we are going to be talking about are fabrics. You want to choose a fabric that is very breathable, that is very convenient for your wedding dress. You don't want to choose a fabric whereby you will not be comfortable on that day, especially if you're going in for a tight dress like a meme dress. The next tip we are going to be talking about are fabrics. You want to choose fabrics that are very, very breathable, that are very easy, that are very convenient to breathe, okay? Especially if you're choosing a tight fitted dress or a bodycon dress, you want to choose a fabric that is breathable, that will make you comfortable, that you're able to walk with that fabric, okay? And the next one we are going to be talking about are seasons. Knowing the season where your wedding is going to take place will help you better choose your wedding dress. You want to choose a wedding dress based on the season. For example, if your wedding is going to take place in winter, you don't want to go in for a sleeveless dress because obviously cold is going to is going to deal with you, okay? So that's another point to consider while choosing a wedding dress. So guys, that's it for the tips in which you want to put into consideration while choosing your wedding dress. And now let's move to picking a wedding dress based on your body shape. So we are going to see different body shapes and the type of dress that are advisable to choose if you fall under this particular body shape. So by now, I'm sure you must have known different body shape and sizes have different ways in which you can style each outfit. No two body types are the same, so styling each body shape, you have to put into consideration which body size or which body type that person finds yourself in. So today we are going to begin with a rectangle body shape. So in choosing a wedding dress for a rectangle body shape, you want to go in for dresses such as ball gowns, A-line dresses, and empired waist. The next one we'll be talking about are hourglass body shape. If you're an hourglass body shape or you're choosing a wedding dress for an hourglass body shape, you want to go in for ball gowns, meme dress, A-line dresses, or chenille dresses. The next one we have are apple body shape. With an apple body shape, you want to go in for A-line dresses and empire dresses. Now we are going to move to the next one, which is pear body shape. With pear body shape, we want to go in for dresses such as A-line dresses, ball gowns, meme dress, and empired waistline. If you are an inverted triangle body shape, you want to go in for ball gowns, A-line dresses, or empired waistline dresses. So guys, that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, not forget to like, share and comment down below. See you guys in my next video.